Hi, I'm Susan. I'm ready to make a new journal. I haven't made one since my Christmas one, and I've really been wanting to make one. And I'm going to bring you along with a journey. I'm going to use this cereal box to make it. And I got this fabric from Goodwill. It was in a scrap bag. And some pretty scrapbook paper. So, let's get started. First of all, I'm going to cut this down because I think it's just a little too tall. So I'm going to I know that Gail Augustinelli likes 9 by 6s. And since I'm relatively new to journal making, if it's good enough for Gail, it's got to be good enough for me. So let's cut this down the best we can. I just want to open it up first and cut off all the little excess pieces. These aside, and it's gonna be like this. So let's see. So that's 6. Okay. Trying to get a straight edge. I don't know if this is going to work, but we're going to try it. Yay! This side looks pretty good. Just get some raggedy parts off. Alright, now we got a straight edge and we can go 9. Okay, we've got her. Go! Yay! Yep, 6. About 9. Cool. Now let's get our material, and I need my Mod Podge, and I'll be right back. Alright, I've got my Mod Podge, I've got my fabric, and now I need to cut my fabric down. is a nice scrap, and it's very thick material. I don't think it's upholstery, but it is a nice thick material. I think I only paid $1 or $2 for a Ziploc bag full of scraps, and they have some very pretty pieces in there. Flip that over. Give it a good shake. So this will flip over like this. But first, I'm going to put my Mod Podge on. I knew I had a brush here somewhere. Try to carefully. Let me see. Push it down some. Try to get my pattern to lay straight. Try to get out any wrinkles. Alright, I'm going to let this dry, and I'm going to do the same thing to the front, and then I'll be back. Okay, I let this dry overnight, and it's nice and stiff. I think it's going to make a nice cover, and I'll probably put something on the spine. Got a few wrinkles, but that's alright. And I looked through my scrapbook paper, and I think this would be pretty on the inside. I had some other nice ones, but everything was too tall or too wide, and I think this will make a nice inside cover. So I need to cut it down. And I think I'm going to do 5.5 by 8.5. And I'm just going to cut 2 pieces. That's going to look nice. And I've got this another piece of scrap, and I'm going to cut that down, and I'm going to let that be the inside. think I'm going to ink around the edges. Use my Fabri-Tac. I'm gonna have to get me some more. And then I'll use art glitter glue in the middle. I like that. I think that goes well with butterflies. And now I need to cut down a strip . There. Wonder if I can tear it. That side needs a, see if I can. Probably asking too much. That way we get the braid on both sides. Like that. Of course, your signature is going to cover up a good bit of it, but you'll have a little bit of that around the edges. And this is going to have to be Fabri-Tac. Let me see how far out. Like that. I'll let that dry flat. And we have our cover. Now I want to make a topper for this page, but I'm not sure yet what I want to do. So I will have to give that some thought. But I think we're going to stop here for now because I still have pages I have to get ready to go in here. And getting the signatures ready and making the topper. And I think my next video or coming up video is going to be one where I work on those papers that I did with my jelly plate, I'm sorry. And some of those papers I will use in my signatures. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It's just a start, but not a bad one. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't, ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave me a comment, tell me what you think. And until next time, bye y'all.